1956, and he is 92 years old. Your presence together in this gathering powerfully illustrates that while years may separate your journeys, the bond of the four unites you equally. You stand as living symbols of continuity, of traditions preserved, values handed down, and excellence sustained. As the superintendent, it is my privilege to formally welcome all of you, sons and daughters of PMA, to the grounds made sacred not by stone and structure, but by the lives, sacrifices, and unwavering commitment of those who have passed through our gates. Today's gathering is not simply a celebration. It is a return shared memories to a common identity and to an institution that has shaped the character and destiny of countless officers who have answered the call of our nation. This homecoming reunites generations bound not by time, but by values that have remained constant amidst all changes. In this year's theme, fostering unity and excellence, strengthening bonds, and advancing
siya.
we are always reminded
Ikaw pala dito.
that unity is
Ayun,
not
hanap lang
only
kami ng
the
upuan doon
absence of
sa labas.
but rather
Hirap.
Kalimutan ko.
Nakaupo ako.
Dito ka.
Nakatayo.
stand together
Paano
in
kayo?
purpose.
Maghanap ka na kami ng ano.
Mawawa naman kayo.
Hindi kami kawawa.
Thank you. Thank
But
you.
rather a culture sustained through discipline, mentorship, and shared standards. The strength of PMA lies not only in its curriculum or its history, but the enduring bond among Cavaliers who continue to uphold its ideals long after graduation. From our beginnings in 1898 as the Academia Militar, born at a time when our nation itself was struggling to define our identity, the Academy has evolved alongside our nation through periods of war and peace, colonial transitions, political change, and modernization. PMA has remained steadfast in our mission to develop leaders of character, of competence, and courage for the armed forces and our republic. While doctrines, technology, and battlefields will always change, the moral compass instilled within every cadet will always remain constant. The Academy's history mirrors the journey of our nation. As the Philippines faced external threats, internal challenges, and the demands of modernization, PMA adapted to prepare officers capable of leading in increasingly complex environments. While strategies, technology, and operational landscapes have transformed, the moral framework instilled in every cadet has endured. The continuity of values is what has sustained PMA throughout generations. To our alumni, you are the strongest testament to the Academy's legacy. Once, all of us stood where our cadets stand today, tested by discipline, shaped by hardship, and guided by mentors who believe in your potential. When you left these gates, you carried with you not just a commission, but a responsibility to lead with integrity wherever duty might take you. Across the breadth of our archipelago and beyond our national borders, you have always served with distinction in combat units, command headquarters, training institutions, in diplomatic engagements, humanitarian missions, and within civilian communities. You demonstrated that PMA leadership is not situational. It is lifelong. Your service affirmed that the Academy's influence does not end at graduation. It continues through conduct, decision-making, and commitment to greater good. As superintendent, I am very aware that leadership of this institution takes time, but stewardship of its values is always enduring. PMA is not defined solely by structures or traditions, but by the people who pass through it. Those who came before, those who serve today, and those who will follow. Each generation inherits the responsibility to strengthen the academy for the next generation. The cadets of today are preparing to lead an era marked by uncertainty and rapid change. Modern officers must navigate not only conventional security concerns, but also emerging challenges such as cyber threats, information warfare, disaster response, and regional cooperation. In response, PMA continues to enhance its academic rigor, leadership training, and character development to ensure that the future officers are both capable and versatile. Despite these evolving demands, one truth remains clear. Leadership without character is incomplete. No advancement in technology can replace moral courage, sound judgment, and an unwavering sense of accountability. The Academy, therefore, remains committed to forming officers who lead not for personal gain, but in service of the Filipino people and the Constitution they have sworn to defend. To our alumni, your connection to PMA does not diminish in time. Your guidance, mentorship, and continued engagement are vital to our Academy's strength. Through your support and example, you bridge the experience of the past with the promise of the future. Your presence today reminds our cadets that service does not end with rank or retirement, but it endures through influence and example. As we celebrate our homecoming, we also pause in remembrance. We honor those who once wore the uniform of PMA, but can no longer return to this ground. Your sacrifice is permanently woven into the Academy's story. We honor them best by upholding the principles they live and living out the values they died defending. May this occasion renew old bonds and inspire new commitments. May it strengthen unity across generations of alumni and reaffirm our shared duty to protect and advance this institution. And may it remind us that while time separates our years in the Academy, our oath will always unite us forever. In closing, let us reaffirm our collective obligation to preserve the legacy of our alma mater. Let us ensure that it remains a steadfast source of honorable leadership, resilient to the face of change, and faithful to the trust placed in our district. To our alumni, welcome home, Cavaliers. To our cadets, carry forward the standards entrusted to you. As the superintendent, my sworn duty is for PMA to continue to stand as a guardian of the nation and a forge of leaders worth its history. Mabuhay ang Philippine Military Academy, mabuhay ang kagandahang lakas ng Pilipinas, mabuhay ang ating